Hey there, everybody. So it's day 3 of move-in, and I'm here by myself. Aaron's at work, and the kids are all in school. So I'm here trying to put things together and get things going. Running into a few hiccups here and there. We don't have electricity in this main retail space, so I'm working with a landlord and an electrician to try to get that matter solved and get ready for the delivery of our long arm quilting machine and the 10 needle embroidery machine. Those should be coming, I think, sometime next week. That way we can be properly trained on these particular models and be ready to go. It's a daunting task. If you've ever tried to open a retail store, there's a lot of back-breaking work that goes into it. And it takes a while. You can't just snap your fingers and have it all come to fruition. So it takes patience and understanding. And then it also, it requires you to be patient, really, really patient, because things aren't always going to go as you want them to go. But that's okay. I mean, we're working our way through them, and things are going to get done on time, I still believe. We are overflowing with packages and product that's coming in all the time. I am about to place an order with Moda Fabrics. If you're not familiar with Moda, they use 100% American-grown cotton, and the quality of their fabrics is simply astounding. You can't find it in a big box retailer. And if you were to feel something that you get from someplace like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, whose products are fine, but if you were to feel the difference between a Moda fabric and what you get at the big box retailers, you can tell a huge, huge difference. So we'll be carrying a decent amount of their fabrics. We'll start with the basic colors, and then as more patterns get released into the future, we'll continue to take in certain collections that they offer. So we have those. We have all of our personalized items are coming in. I've got cowbells for the football games, cutting boards, knives for the laser engraving machine, pen and pencil sets, baby clothes, diaper covers. And of course, that's all Erin's cup of tea, so she could fill you in better on that than I could. But our product offerings are going to be rather extensive. I'll have those up and running on the website as soon as I can. I'm just focused right now on getting the store actually open. For those of you who didn't know, like, why Elkin? I was born here. I was the second baby born at what was then the new Hugh Chatham Memorial Hospital. My friend Mitch was born on November the 19th after they had just opened it, and then I was born the next day on November the 20th. So I was born and raised here. My wife lived in the Raleigh area in a town called Garner, and we knew after we were married and had children that we wanted a slower pace of life. So we finally decided when it was time to start a new chapter that we would come back to the western part of the state and really enjoy that nicer, slower pace of life filled with nature, the Yadkin River, the trails, the history, mountain culture. It's all very important to us. So that's why we decided to come back here to Elkin. Now, a lot of people know that we're going to be on the second floor at 109 West Main Street. We're in Suite 202. I recognize that stairs can be an obstacle for many of our customers. I understand that. This building is well over 100 years old, so there is no elevator. To help alleviate some of those concerns, we're going to offer curbside pickup. So if someone wants to order something online or call into the store, I'll be more than happy to bring down to you whatever you need. If you have a quilt that you want to be a long arm quilted, we can take care of that without you having to come up here. For local residents in the town of Elkin or in Jonesville, Boonville, or East Bend, since that's the area in which I live, I can deliver to you for free at the end of the day. I don't want the steps to keep you from enjoying what we have to offer. So as much as I can, I'll accommodate our customers, if at all humanly possible. And of course, you can always call and order something, or order something online, and I can ship it to you. The shipping costs are there on the website, depending on what you choose. Or you can call me here at the shop and we can discuss it, especially if it's something customizable. So that's our update. Things are still a mess here, but you know, it's happy chaos because we know that positive things are coming our way. I want to thank you guys for supporting us. Please follow us on Facebook, and then follow us on YouTube and on Instagram to keep up with what's going on with the store and with our family, with our journey to help foster children in our community, because that's a huge part of our mission. And we greatly appreciate all the support we've received from members of our community so far, and the welcome we've received from the town of Elkin. So thank you all very much, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye-bye.